Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Tuts. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can fix that last seen status is not working on BOTIM messaging app. Okay, so this is really gonna short tutorial for you. Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn how to do this. So now go to your BOTIM messaging app. I'm just going to click on the app and then go to here, click me in right bottom corner on your screen, then click account and then click privacy. Then here you can see the option last seen, this one. So click nobody. So when it's marked in nobody, it means your last seen will not see anyone. Okay, so when you click everyone, then everyone, your friend, your stranger, anyone will see your last seen. Okay, and it's easily fixed. Okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you, and please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this video.